Hello friends, welcome to Mock Test channel. In this video, I have covered AFF exit exam questions with answers. Towards the end, if you like our content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. Which of the listed materials would be considered as a burning class C fire? Option A, fuel oil. Option B, wood. Option C, celluloid. And option D, electrical insulation. The correct answer is option D, electrical insulation. Which toxic gas is a product of incomplete combustion and is often present when a fire burns in a closed compartment? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, hydrogen sulfide. Option C, carbon monoxide. And option D, nitric oxide. The correct answer is option C, carbon monoxide. The flammable limits of an atmosphere are the option A, two temperature between which an atmosphere will self-ignite. Option B, upper and lower percentage of vapor concentrations in an atmosphere which will burn if an ignition source is present. Option C, upper and the lower pressures between which an atmosphere will not burn. Option D, two temperatures between which an atmosphere will burn if an ignition source is present. The correct answer is option D, upper and lower percentage of vapor concentrations is an atmosphere which will burn if an ignition source is present. A fire in a pile of linen is considered to be a class. Option A fire. Option B fire. Option C fire. And option D fire. The correct answer is option A fire. Why is carbon dioxide better than dry chemical for fighting a class C fire? Option A, the dry chemical is a conductor. Option B, the dry chemical leaves a residue. Option C, CO2 will not dissipate in the air. Option D, it takes small amount of CO2 to cover the same area. The correct answer is option B, the dry chemical leaves a residue. Fire involving combustible metals are classified as option A, class A fire. Option B, class B fire. Option C, class C fire. And option D, class D fire. The correct answer is option D, class D fire. A class C fire would be burning option A, fuel oil. Option B, wood. Option C, celluloid. Option D, electrical insulation. The correct answer is option D, electrical insulation. All of the following are the parts of the fire triangle except option A, electricity. Option B, fuel. Option C, oxygen. And option D, heat. The correct answer is option A, electricity. Control valves for a CO2 fire extinguishing system may be located within the protected space when option A, it is impractical to locate them outside. Option B, there is also a control valve outside. Option C, the CO2 cylinders are also in the space. Option D, an automatic heat sensing trip is installed. The correct answer is option C. The CO2 cylinders are also in the space. Burning electrical insulation is best extinguished by option A, soda acid. Option B, foam. Option C, water fog. Option D, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option D, carbon dioxide. Which type of plan is used to outline the vessel's firefighting arrangement within the fire control plan? Option A, partial. Option B, inboard profile. Option C, subdivision and stability. Option D, general arrangement. The correct answer is option D, general arrangement. Fusible link fire dampers are operated by option A, A mechanical arm outside the vent duct. Option B, electrical control on the bridge. Option C, the heat of a fire melting the link. Option D, a brake, glass and pull cable system. The correct answer is option C, the heat of a fire melting the link. A fire is considered under control when option A, all hands are at their fire stations. Option B, all firefighting equipment is at the scene. Option C, the fixed system are activated. Option D, the fire is contained and no longer spreading. The correct answer is option D, the fire is contained and no longer spreading. The required number and type of hand portable fire extinguishers for stator room on cargo vessels. Option A 1A, option B 1B, option C 1C, and option D none required. The correct answer is option D none required. Your assigned emergency stations aboard your vessel can be found on the ships. Option A, clearance papers. Option B, permit to proceed. Option C, certificate of inspections. Option D, muster list. The correct answer is option D, muster list. Hope you found this video useful. I wish you all the best for your exam.